Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Perry County in southeastern Ohio until 9:15 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bremen, or 8 miles east of Lancaster, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 65 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Lexington, Shawnee, Junction City, New Straitsville, Corning, Hemlock, and Renville. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Fairfield County, North Central Hocking County, until 9 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bremen, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bremen, Hideaway Hills, Rushville, West Rushville, Hideaway Hills, and North Bern.